See here. Huh? When you go to your Facebook, in Facebook, if you upload the big size photo also, it will display small only. It's very small. Go to your this one where Google Map, okay, Google business page, where you upload the big size photo, it will display small only. Right now, if you click on profile photo, same photo will become big one. Their height is required or not? Photo is same, but sometimes small and sometimes bigger. So when it was small, that time it was displaying height 30 by 30. When we click on that, photo become big size. That same photo displaying how much? 200 by 200 size. So that is height is auto. How height is auto? Yeah, if you keep height auto, then your photo is 200 by 200. It will display 200 by 200 every time. Your profile pic will display this much of bigger, 30 by 30 area. The height auto means what? According to content, it will take. Now your content is big content. Okay, when you go to the Facebook, in Facebook, someone suppose commented, someone posted so many things. Okay, when multiple line you will post, only few line it will display. After that, there will be read more. Yes. When you click on that, remaining will get open. So what is that? By default, if we will put height auto, you have pasted 3000 line. What will happen? The length will come such a big or not? You cannot see other post, you will see only one post. Okay. Now limit is there. Post anything, by default height is how much? 30 pixel. By default height is 100 pixel. If you click on that, then height will become auto. When by default height is fixed, you post one line also, 20 line also, it will display 3 line only. Okay, remaining are hidden. Once you click on read more, then height will be auto. When is height auto? Not by default. When on click. Okay. The people who have made the technology, they are multi-thousand ahead before us. Okay. What we are thinking now, they have thought 10 years before. Then only they made technology. We are not developing the technology. We are learning the technology. You have not developed it. I have not developed it. It's developed by someone else. The people who develop, when you type in your computer something, see from your mouse, when you press the key, when you click somewhere, what do? You only click, no? For us, it's a click, but for system, it is not only click. When you press the button, key will go down. That is called key down. After pressing once you leave up, then key will come up. As a user, we think, oh, I clicked. But for system, it is not only click. When the key was going down, system has understood, yes, key is going down. After pressing, when you left the key, system understood, yes, key is going up. For us, only one. But for system, how many? 3. That is technology. Then you will say, why there is a down, why there is a up. There is a need of that. Okay. There is a need of that. Okay. That is called analytics. When you go to the Flipkart and click on one product, add to cart, add to cart, add to cart. Okay. Cart will get added. Don't buy it. Come tomorrow. It will show in your cart. Why? Because that is the need. Now in the same Flipkart, go and don't do anything. Do right click and view source, inspect element in browser. You will not understand you have done something, but their other team will understand from particular IP address on the particular time and the particular lat long on particular operating system using particular browser. A person has done the right click and he has inspected particular thing. Then I will ask why those are spending the time, why the company is spending the time. Okay. Business will not handle only on the base of positive thinking. Business will run based on positive and negative both. Okay. A person has made the car. They understood the car once it will start, it will run. We have to stop somewhere. right? So then you will say like when I stop, then again I have to accelerate. It need a petrol. Then why you stop? Again we need to start, no? Then why you stop? Let it go. If let it go, something else will happen. One side is what? Yes, another side is no. Yes will work based on no. Okay, no will work based on yes. Okay. As a developer, definitely we have to think for all. But if you think in negative order, you cannot touch the moon. Okay. A positives also. Think as a positive. Negative thing will happen from where? Tester side. Tester is made for that. Tester is going to think negative and they'll come out with a solution problem. Okay, your responsibility to think positive. अब आप ये मत पूछो कि why we have written only mean height, why not max height? Max height is also there. Okay, it will come. ठीक है, लिखते हैं. So what we understood? Height meaning is what? Fixed. Mean height meaning is what? Fixed only, but minimum, not maximum. Okay. Another one we have called height auto. Let me come to my case. See here, my content is equal. One place I have given called height auto. Sorry, for a only height. Now content is moving out. Another place what we have height, mean height. So minimum will be particular. If the content is more, let me show you. Suppose if I go here, I have only one line. What should be the height of? It is taking this much. Minimum height how much is given? 50. Let me keep one line. What is going to happen? This much. Let me remove the content. What will happen? Minimum is holding. Minimum height say if you have no content also, I will occupy the certain. But if you have a content, I will increase it automatically. Okay. Come now for the height auto. Height auto. Okay. You ask the height auto, why height auto is there, why we need to use something else. Okay. Now suppose when you go anywhere in any website, okay, you will ask the user to upload your profile photo. Suppose you went to the Naukri and Naukri is saying upload your profile photo. Okay. Now when the matter will come to upload the profile photo, how bigger photo you will upload? Some people will have passport size photo. Some people may not have. Now if they are asking upload the photo, you will take the photo from phone and then upload it. Now what will be the size of the photo? 2000 by 2000, 3000 by 3000 pixel. 3000 pixel height, 3000 pixel width, right? How bigger it will display in the Naukri? 100 by 100 maximum. Now see, if you say like, no, let the people to upload photo. Now you upload the photo. How bigger photo you uploaded? 3000 by 3000. How bigger you are displaying? 100 by 100 is the best entire resource or not? 3000 photo and 3000 by 3000, it will take much memory space. That is the one. That is the loss for the Naukri.com. Okay, they have to arrange lot of space to keep your photo. Number two, loss for you is what? When you open the Naukri.com will not recharge your phone. No? Who will recharge? You will recharge for what purpose? Internet purpose. Now you will open the Naukri.com and you will go to your profile. Where is your photo? Your photo is a Naukri.com database. From the Naukri.com, it will come to your system. Now Naukri.com is where we don't know. But from their database, the photo will come to your system. Then only you can see it. Now how bigger photo it will display? 100 by 100. How bigger you have uploaded? 3000 by 3000. From server, it is going to download 3000 pixel height and 3000 pixel width and displaying how much? 100 by 100. Now at that point, two parties in the loss. Number one, where the photo was uploaded, server will be in the trouble to process 3000 by 3000 pixel photo, and your system will be in the trouble to download the how much? 3000 by 3000 photo, and indirectly For the both the loss you are going to pay. What is that? Internet cost. Photo was supposed to be 1 KB, but it is downloading 1 GB. Now who is paying for that? You only know. So for that, every wherever we upload the photo, there is option called crop. See the cropping? That is nothing but adjusting the height. How bigger photo is required, that much only they will cut and upload. No need to worry. User is also in the safe and server also in the safe. Okay. Now that photo you are uploading 3000 by 3000. Server has cropped 100 by 100, 200 by 200. Sometime if you go to your profile photo, it will display a small photo 30 by 30. Once you click on that, it will display 200 by 200. Now instead of 3000 by 3000, 200 is smaller or not? Okay, hope you understood. Let's go ahead. So what we have is, we have written height as a auto. Let's come down below, write as a, sorry, mean height we have written here. Go for the last one, write height auto. Height colon auto. Height auto says like, according to your content, it will increase automatically. According to the content, it will increase automatically. Now, if less content, height will be smaller. If more content, height will be bigger. Okay, hope ready. Save the file. Check once, is it fitting or not? It's coming here. Height auto is here. Increase the content, decrease the content. Increase the content, save the file. Increase the content, save the file. Increasing. Same time, decrease the content and check is it decreasing or not. So hope it is clear. Height auto means according to content it will increase, and mean height means minimum and something. Notes are also written here. You can see that it's fixed. Mean it says like minimum is fixed, max up to content. Height auto says fully based on contents. Okay. Create example for width also. We have four type of width, but we are going to see two now. Two will see under the internal CSS. Two width, that is called width in pixel. In pixel. Second one you have width in percentage. Third one you have minimum width. It can be pixel or it can be percentage. Next one we have called max width. It can be pixel or it can be percentage. Next file example 7.html. Example 7.html. Create a division. Paragraph also you can write. Division also you can write. No problem. Let's go there. Follow the body tab. HTML tab. Inside that, we can use a p tag. From previous file you can copy and you can replace with a div. Div. Okay, in that height let it be, margin keep as a auto, it will come in the center. Width 200, background red color, float is not required. Padding you can use no problem. Height you can remove. Okay, ready? Check now. What is the width of the division? Width is 200 only. 200 only, no? You have written here. You have written width 200 pixel. If we will give 2000 pixel, what will happen? 200 replaced with the 2000. 200 replaced by 2000 become very wide. Very wide. Okay, very wide. Now, suppose example, you created a page where you written a division for a width called 2000 pixel. Next, your project owner will say, what is the width of your screen? You will say is a 2500. He will say no problem. It's working in your system. I will open the same page. My screen is 1500. It will not work in my system. A user will open. His screen size will be 1000 pixel width. It will not work in his system. A person will open in mobile phone. He has to scroll from Hyderabad to Mumbai, left, right. What will happen? User experience will be wrong or not? So it is saying like when you say width has a 2000 pixel, that meaning the width become fixed. Now to run this division, you require a screen size minimum of 2000 pixels. And we cannot guarantee of every user system device. Every user has different type of devices. So what will happen? For some user it will work, and for some user a scroller will come. As exact same like this, I went to the my browser. I can see in my browser in the bottom there is one horizontal scroller. Coming in your system also it is. Now let's come to the, let's reduce little 1500. See what is happening for you. It is coming or not? It's coming. Horizontal scroller. If a screen size is more than up to 1500, then it will not come. Okay. For example, in the some user it may come and some user it may not come. But for me it's coming still. Let's come to the 1200 pixel. 1200 pixel. Save file and check. Still is coming in your system? No. Yes, but when I come to my computer, hope you are checking 1200 pixel if you are giving the width, it is not coming in your system. But when I come to my system, for me still a scroller is there because my screen is running on 1000 pixel. Yours is running on 1500 or 1400 or 1600 maybe. Okay. So here only difference happen. For some user, a scroller is coming. For some user, scroller. So this scroller is a competition. Okay, when you create a page and this scroller appear either in the top or bottom. Okay, top definitely it will not come. Always it will come in the bottom only. Right side is coming, there is no problem. People can scroll up down is okay. User behavior is they can go down. User don't like to go left and right. That is the problem. Okay, so this is called non-responsive page. Non-responsive. It is not as a responsive. Okay. How to measure the responsive page is responsive or not? You can minimize the page, make little small size. You can also do in your system and say, do like this. See for you also a scroller will appear if window size is smaller. Oh, coming? Scroller is coming. Right. Then why scroller is coming? Because we are assuming okay, width has 1200 pixel. Correct. 1200 pixel we are assuming as a width. Now, if you want this should work in all the users, then pixel will not help you. It has to based on percentage. Okay, maximum percentage 100%. Whether your screen is 2000 pixel, 800 pixel, 1500 pixel, no problem. Entire width will consider how much? 100%. Let me go here. You can also write instead of 200 pixel, write is 100%, and then check. In any size, a small, large, medium, check in all the sizes, a scroller will never appear. Getting any scroller? How is scroller will come here? Oh, because we are given the padding still. Yeah, padding is there. Remove padding. Padding also consume the space. Remove padding and then check. Check without padding. Without padding, no space. Sorry, no horizontal bar. See, let me go in my screen also. I can see here. See, no any scroller at any moment. Scroller is there. No scroller at any moment. See here, no scroller. When we up, down, increase, decrease, no problem at all. At every time, how much? 100%. So which is the best method? Percentage or pixel? Percentage. Let add one more property. Instead of 100%, give 80%. Margin auto you have given hope. Save and then check. Hmm? There is a gap or not? Gap will be there. Margin auto, what is the functionality of margin auto? Margin auto will bring the container in the center. Margin auto will bring the container in the center. Now container need how much?
Development.
No, no, we have percent change in the percentage now. We have changed into the 80%. Okay. So it will occupy the 80% in the center of your screen. Remaining how much? 20%. 10% will go to the left and 10% will go to the right. Let us check once.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದು ಹೇಳು ಯಾವ ಗುಡಿ ಅದು ಯಾರ ಗುಡಿ ಅದು ಓದಲ್ಲಿ
device how much 80% only. A small device also in mobile phone also 80%,
ಹೇಳು
and in the laptop also. Right. So what is the meaning of pixel? Pixel represent the fixed. Percentage represent according to screen. Okay. We can make a note of same. We have two more, minimum width and maximum width. But that will learn under the next, under the internal CSS. So go here and write there. If you are writing under the pixel, you can say it is fixed. It is fixed. If you are writing in percentage, you can say it is based on a screen size. Based on a screen size. Remaining two, once we implement, we will see. Cool, go ahead. So what we understood? We got idea on padding, we got idea on height, we got idea on width. Okay. Next, we have one more property to understand better. That is called border. Border we have 7-8 types. Okay. Let's go to developer guide. Right here. Type of border. Type of BORD. Type of border. Type of border. Okay. So what are the types are there? Right first. Sometime you will see the single line border will come from all sides. Sometimes you see the double line border will come. In home we have the lot of photos. In photo frame we'll see dot 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 border. Okay. Sometime we'll say dash 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 border. Okay. Sometime border will come with a 3D border. Inside something else, outside something else. So we have total 8 types of border. Right now, one is called solid. It will give like the complete line. Next we have called double. It will give the double line. Next we have called dotted. It will give the dot dot line. Next we have called dashed. It will give the dash dash dash. Okay. Next we have called uh, inset. Next we have called outset. Next we have called reach. And next we have called groove. These all are the type of border. Make a note, then I'll guide you the direction of the border. What are the direction of the border we have? Okay, ready? Now right here, direction of border. Direction of border. Direction, what is that? Left, right, top, bottom, all the side. Okay. So we have only called border. Only border means you can write all side. All side. Next we have called border hyphen left from left side. Next we have border hyphen top from top side. Next we have border hyphen where top then bottom. bottom. Next we have border hyphen right. Border hyphen right. Okay. Left, right, top, bottom. Next, finally, you write an example. Example. How it will be? You have to write the border colon type of the border. Suppose double. double. Then after that, border 10px red color. So what it represent? All side 10 pixel red color border will come. Double line border. Double line border. Double line border. Double line border. Save it and then check once. Hope ready. So how to remember this? We have to read it. We have to practice it. Okay. Then only we can remember. Let's create next file. Example 7.html. Example 7 already we have. Example 8.html. We'll wait 1 minute. Maybe they are writing. Okay. Next after that. So hope you have written the notes. Come to the example 7. In example 8, not 7. Example 8.html file. We have to create multiple divisions. 7, 8 division we need to create for all. Example 8.html. Width div assume 200. Margin give suppose 30 pixel. Background is not required. Give float left. After margin, okay. After width give height also 150 pixel. Width, height, margin. Width, height, margin, then float. Okay, so till here you write. Then we'll add the border property. Border 10px solid red color. Inside you can keep solid red as a text. Solid red as a text. Okay, cool then. So hope you saw the border. Border is coming. Something like this. 10 pixel border. Okay, so how many type of border we have? 8 types. Copy this division, paste after this, and border solid replace with the double, solid replace with the dotted, Save now. Sequence. Change. So you have so many, no? Copy, paste, and change. Copy, paste the division and change the border. Dotted, dashed, inset, outset. Many we have, right? Thanks, Vijay. Hope you are writing. Take once you completed or let me know in the chat. Division copy paste in the border type. Okay, color also you can change and then you can see what difference are there. There will be some small differences. Okay, come to the next. We can use the next property called display inline. Display inline. Display colon inline. This is for what purpose? Display colon block. Display colon none. Okay, inline. It convert from block level element to inline. Inline, it converts from inline to block. None. It hides the element. If you write display none, it will not display anywhere. It will get hide. Okay, hope ready. Next example. Example 9.html. Next will be 9.html. You will open close, keep inside for li. Home, about us, contact us, login, register, our services, our clients. Okay, hope ready. Let's go next. Run this file. What will happen? All will come side one after other because it's a block level tag. It is a block level tag, so it will not come in the same line. You will write here now CSS. Style equal to display colon in line and margin suppose 20 pixel because once it is coming side by side there should be some gap. Copy, paste, 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 paste and paste all the places. So all will convert from block to inline. All will print in the same line. Both parts coming are in the same line. That is called block to inline. Convert it from block to inline. For this UL tag, write a style, apply the padding 20 pixel and background, which color? Background orange color. Or keep a black color. Black. BLS is a black. Color white. Color white. Save now. Check in your page. UL background is different. Look like the menu. Navigation menu. It look like it's a navigation menu. Something like this. We will use this all. It's meaningful properties. Display inline, display block, display something. Okay. So based on this, I will send you some assignment to this. Okay. It will be only using inline CSS. You will be designing the different type of blocks. Okay. Blocks. Maybe in one line 3 blocks, in one line 4 block, maybe in one line 2 block, maybe one line only 1 block. Okay. So I will send you the photos with URL. I'll send you on that. Photos will be there. You can follow that. HTML hope all assignments are completed. Are still going on. Completed all. If you complete that all, then you will have idea. You will get a lot of idea. At least the tags is in day-to-day use from basic of HTML. Those will be clear for you. You will be confident how to use that all. Okay. Okay. Then tomorrow is Saturday, correct? Tomorrow is Saturday. You will not log in tomorrow. You will log in on again Monday. Okay. That is called 25th. 25th only, no? Yeah, 25th. I'll send you 7-8 photos. Okay. Sufficient for tomorrow and after. You can sit and do. Question answer, I'll send you HTML related. You can go through that. Okay. Basic question answer that people ask normally. I'll send you some 50-60 question answer. You can follow that. 400 questions are there. Maybe by Sunday all will be ready. You will get the link. Huh? Hmm. Okay then. You can log out. Tell me, sir. Which one? The li. अभी बताएंगे, मिक्स मत कीजिए अभी, ओके। इसको मिक्स मत